In this aid, we will voice our especially own and market's viewpoint on AMP future while talking about AMP cost figure for 2023 and then some, which really is genuinely critical. If it's not too much trouble, by and large remember that you want to essentially think about this and any fundamentally other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything is an unpleasant errand, especially not to mention anticipating the fate of a novel, exceptionally unpredictable monetary resource like AMP. Presently, we should head into it, or so they truly thought. Before we dig kind of profound into the AMP value expectation and answer questions on the off chance that AMP truly isn't in every practical sense, why speculation or not? For what reason will AMP generally succeed or truly fizzle, or for what reason will AMP value rise or drop? We should rapidly generally toss a look at what most certainly is AMP and its to-date history, so in this we will voice our kind of own and market's viewpoint on AMP future while examining AMP cost conjecture for 2023 and then some, or so they all things considered, thought. What all things considered is AMP crypto in an unobtrusive way. AMP is a type of digital currency that goes about as guarantee, exhibiting how what truly is AMP crypto in a genuinely enormous manner. The cryptographic money basically is at present utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization in an unobtrusive manner. That certainly implies it can generally be utilized to sort of cover any monetary exchanges that explicitly turn out badly, assuming the need emerges, which is very huge. As of now, the crypto especially is banded together with sort of a few administrations, exceptionally like Flexa, CoinGecko, Gemini, Sushi, and Uniswap, which especially is very critical. It's likewise extremely worth bringing up that there especially is a proper worth of AMP available for use to shield it from unpredictability in a quite enormous manner fundamentally. Flexa especially is an installment network that permits clients to essentially spend Bitcoin and for the most part other digital currencies at retailers sort of like Nordstrom, Barnes and Aristocrats and Lowe's in a kind of significant manner. Flexa installment generally is acknowledged in north of 40,000 stores in the US and Canada, which generally is genuinely huge. Utilizing Flexa, you can make moment and misrepresentation resistant installment to retailers without the need to especially reveal kind of delicate, most certainly private data, or so they especially thought. As a Flexa client, fundamentally your spending limit generally is basically covered at $US 250 each week, which resets to $0 each Friday, showing that explicitly kindly especially remember that you want to in every practical sense. Think about this and any sort of other forecast while considering other factors, since foreseeing anything truly is an unpleasant errand, essentially not to mention foreseeing the eventual fate of a novel, exceptionally unstable monetary resource like AMP in an unpretentious manner. AMP for the most part is the symbolic that really makes Flex's moment installment authorizations conceivable, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Consider AMP publicly supported in every practical sense, guarantee i.e., showing that especially consider AMP publicly supported certainly security i.e., which really is genuinely critical, security to decentralize installment risk in a really significant manner. As an AMP holder, you can stake AMP tokens, which will be utilized to ensure installment exchanges in various monetary forms in an unpretentious way. AMP value expectation for the in every practical sense. Next 10 days, the especially entire crypto world in every way that really matters is on an edge of a sort of complete breakdown. So the digital money especially is as of now utilized in this job to help the Flexa organization in an especially large manner. Bitcoin, all things considered, has fallen 75% from its record-breaking especially high in the midst of more extensive market declines brought about by seething expansion, and US took care of rate climbs in an unpretentious manner. At the point when sort of add the latest implosions of immense industry players into the situation, the horizon for the most part is dim, and there will especially be more blood in the city of the crypto town, or so they by and large thought. Financial backers by and large are selling unsafe resources and moving into in every way that really matters. Something else in every way that really matters, stable business sectors, which generally is very critical. Crypto certainly is as yet seen as an exceptionally unsafe especially play, and thus the offer off, certainly in opposition to prevalent thinking. Our algo still sees a some genuinely green in 2023, particularly in the kind of second piece of the year in an unobtrusive manner. This explicitly is by and large reflected in our 2023 forecasts in an extremely significant way. At the present time, Bitcoin needs to find a base before we can move in the in every practical sense, inverse course, and basically alter the course in a very large manner. When Bitcoin gets comfortable the new cost range, altcoins will begin to in a real sense do likewise. We by and large have seen this situation many certainly times in the far off and all things considered, later history, or so they certainly thought. Our cost expectation model explicitly is negative for the extremely next 90 days, with a smidgen of a positively trending market at the divert of the quarters from Q1 to Q2, which generally is genuinely huge. We by and large expect whales and genuinely other a lot greater players in the market to especially wrap up filling their sacks around that time, which will cause a common and unexpected crypto spike. Group made a cost expectation model with a multi-layered way to deal with crypto that considers both specialized examination and crucial evaluation of each task in an unpretentious manner. Basics that we truly assess truly are group, tokenomics, use case, local area, advertising endeavors, liquidity and trade accessibility, publicity and theoretical by and large potential, and a few by and large other by and large exclusive variables created in our crypto lab. Further appearance how in every practical sense, consider AMP publicly supported genuinely security showing that especially consider AMP publicly supported truly guarantee or so they sort of thought. 2023 05011.68% $0 0036 2023 05 02 plus 2.17% $0 0037 2023 05 035.51% $0 0034 2023 05 041.46% $0 0036 2023 05 053.18% $0 0035 2023 05 062.54% $0 0035 2023 05 073.25% $0 0035 2023 05 08 plus 2.14% $0 0037 2023 05 092.27% $0 0036 2023 05 104.14% $0 value forecast 2023. Our forecast model sees a brief change to a bear market toward the start of 2023. Preceding we move on to one more advantage in Q3 and Q4 of 2023, which sort of shows that we explicitly expect whales and sort of other kind of greater players in the market to in a real sense wrap up filling their packs around that time, which will cause a commonplace and unexpected crypto spike. Or so they thought. 2023 May 18.15% $0 0030 2023 June 27.85% $0 0026 2023 Joel 24.46% $0 0027 2023 Og 16.49% $0 0030 2023 Sep 7.95% $0 0033 2023 Oct 3.14% $0 0035 2023 NOF plus 7.34% $0 0039 2023 DEC plus 11.87% $0 0041 2024 Jan plus 15.55% $0 0042 2024 Feb plus 31.76% $0 0